How are you? Okay, so I'm unboxing this here. It's the ultimate hair removal. This is kind of what it looks like on the outside. It says that it's USB charged for all skin types. No irritation, no redness, and smooth hairless skin in minutes. Let's see what the product actually looks like. So from what I'm looking at, it's pretty compacted. Let's see. Okay, so first thing I see is it comes with a USB charger, and also there's not really like a, oh, here we go. There's like the little seal for it. So it comes with this. I'm not sure what this is for yet. It also comes with this. I'm assuming maybe like for hair to, you know, maybe accumulates. This is kind of what the port looks like. And this is the USB port. Here's your typical. And it looks pretty long. I just have it wound up here. Not sure yet what this is for. I'll see. Let's see. So then I see that's it for the box. Then this looks like the actual razor or whatever we want to call it. So looks pretty good. Comes plastic wrapped. Okay, so here's what I see so far. It has these like little heads. They don't feel sharp. They just kind of feel honestly smooth. It has like a nice little ridges for grabbing. I see at the bottom like the power button. Looks like a battery, sort of not button, but more like a light to tell you when it needs to be recharged. Like it has a little battery, and it also says here like a little you can barely see that, but it's sort of like a little image of when it is, so it can show you when it is charging. So it says on the top it's 4D model shaver. Charge time is 5 hours. You are allowed to have it underwater. Do not dispose of it in the trash. So that's kind of just what it says here with the little images in the back. Now, oh, interesting. Okay, so when I click on this button up here, oh no, when I pull it back, this little thing pops up. I'm not really quite sure what that is. Maybe that's like where the hair goes afterwards. So you use this little brush to maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. I haven't actually used it yet. So let's see if it actually, oh, okay. Huh, that's so interesting. Okay, so the reason I find that interesting is when I turn it on, these blades aren't actually rotating. They're just like vibrating almost. Well, not really. I honestly don't know. But it is fully charged when you get it out of the box. So I will probably be making a video on its actual use, but this is what I got with it. This fits perfectly, by the way, with that little clear thing I was talking about. I guess it's just to cover it. So there we go. It's like a safety, I don't know, maybe it's for you to have it in the shower and it doesn't get all, you know, moldy or whatever, but it covers it perfectly. Kind of hard really to, there we go. I don't know, I'm not sure exactly. I'm still gonna have to struggle. I'm gonna have to like figure this out. It goes on there, but it comes off really easily. And that's pretty much it. That's what I got with this product. Okay, hope this was helpful.